Yes! The much awaited juicer is finally here. I can't wait to start juicing. So guys, let's unbox this together. Mama, thank you. Okay. Mama, I really don't need you here, okay?
Yeah.
When mommy needs you, she will call you. Is that okay?
It's the box.
Yeah. Don't worry. Mama. Hold on. Mama is trying to bring it out. Okay.
Okay.
You can go with this one. Mama, go with this one. You can go and play with this one. Take.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Bye-bye. Back to business. Yeah.
Off the box.
The AMZCHEF juicer. I've had so much reviews on this product. So I just hope it meets up to the hype. Mama, excuse me.
No,
Let's see.
this grapes. It's banana.
Yeah.
It's orange. Orange.
Mama, hold on. Mama, leave my pants. Leave my
Orange.
pants.
Tomato.
Okay.
Yeah, you're making juicy.
What happened?
Yes. Juicy in the glass.
Okay.
I'm here. I got you.
Where's that?
I got you.
Okay.
It's the bird. A cup.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the jars. You find it.
Yeah, I found it.
Daddy found it.
Yeah, mommy found it.
Mommy found it.
Yeah, mommy found it.
Okay, Mommy found
Yeah.
it. That's mine.
It's not yours. This is for mommy. Mommy will use it to make juice for you, okay?
It's mine.
I know. Mommy use it to make juice for you.
Mommy, make what? That's my cup.
It's not cup. Mama, this is juicer. So going forward, mommy will be
Juice,
making
yes.
natural juice for you.
Juice.
This is for making juice.
Give me juice.
Yes, I'll use it
I
to...
also what? This kind of rich.
Yeah, I'm going to use it to make juice for you.
No.
Know what?
Everything daddy's spoon.
Okay, no problem, whatever you say. Alright guys, so anticipate, yeah, because I'm going to disturb your timelines.
Mama,
Yeah, I'm going to be
I
popping on your FYP going forward. I can't wait. Bye.